Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write essay hard work. Let's get started. Hard work is the key to success. Working hard, we can achieve our goals in life. Without hard work, our dreams cannot be fulfilled. In student life, hard work is the most important thing. We need to put maximum needed efforts. Hard work is tough, but it is essential to make our life successful. A hard-working person is successful in life. Hard work makes a person strong enough to deal with any situation. All of us students must work hard in life to achieve success. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.